Hi, Dairy Road friends. So I have my daughter here, Mary Jane.
Hi.
She's going to help me with a science experiment. It's called Dancing Corn. So we got our glass jar here. And we're going to get some water, about just a half a cup, half a glass of water. Just going to pour that into our jar. And then we have some corn kernels right here in our bowl. We can make popcorn. You can pour those into the jar. So we have the corn and the water into our jar. Now we're going to add some vinegar and baking soda. So we only need a tablespoon of baking soda. You want to pour it in? Okay, I'll put that aside. And then we have some white vinegar, a half a cup of white vinegar. And we're going to pour the vinegar into the jar and see if our corn is popping and dancing.
Okay.
Go ahead, MJ. Pour it in. Let's see what happens. Look. Woo. Is it dancing? Look, it's dancing off the baking soda and vinegar. Give it a chemical reaction so that the corn can float inside the jar and appear to dance.
That's cool.
You can hear it fizzing. See the corn dancing?
I don't think it's going to stop anytime soon.
I know. That's pretty neat.
Yeah, that's really cool.
It's lasting for a long time. So, I say we had a successful science experiment. Give me a high five, MJ.
Woo!
I hope you try it at home. Hope to see you. Love you all. Bye.
Bye.